about 9:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Saving Time on a Friday, September 8th, I think, 2018. I'm at the east end of Triangulation Peak. This is the little unauthorized trail that comes up to the camping areas. You look to the left though, look at all the burned out trees. This is from a fire, I think it was last year. And then out in the distance, look at all the cool little foothills, and there's lots of blue smoke in between. Kind of a cool effect. Come up here. So, I don't know why that bird is stalking me. But anyway, if you come to this side, you can see there's some pretty good normal green forest. You look off in the distance, that's Mount Hood in the distance. And then down below, you can see lots and lots of stuff got burned out. Like by that road, that's a legitimate road over there. I don't know which one, I don't have all these roads memorized, but whatever. And then over here, right up next to me, there's burned trees. Yeah, this place is sometimes a good place to go camping, but they don't, because of the obvious fire danger. It hasn't rained here in months. They're not allowed any campfires, not even like propane burners or anything like that. So nobody's camping up here today because they're like, oh no, I can't cook my dinner, I'm screwed. But yeah, you can see there's a campfire ring here. Like I said, during certain times of the year, wetter years, perfectly a legitimate campfire right there. Cool place to go camping. And then I don't know how much farther this trail goes. Let's see here. But yeah, obviously this whole forest was burned. Black trees everywhere. At least they're still upright. Actually, I think this is the way I want to go. I think I'll leave the camera running. I don't know how interesting this video is going to be. I'm facing the sun and the shade everywhere. But yeah, see, there's no living underbrush. There's like a couple of grasses here. But normally there'd be all sorts of different shrubs here. But it's all, except for these grass that grew back this spring apparently, it's like 99% gone. I'm thinking I might come back here like once a year, see how it does. I think this is actually 2 years ago, but I haven't been here in a couple years. It's a nice view, but other than that, there's not much up here. But it's such an easy hike. It's only an hour and 15 minutes each way, so some people like more of a challenge, or they want to get closer to Mount Jefferson. There's some pretty good trails really, really close to Mount Jefferson. If you want a view of the mountain, that might be preferable. Wow, it feels weird walking through this wasteland. But now obviously both sides of the trail here is totally, I mean, like I said, just a few grasses. There's some big paw prints here. I don't know if somebody's pet dog or